Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to upload guys infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys mono audio setting guys. How can we on it and how can we use it? Friends, you want to on guys your infinix phone mono audio setting. So how can you on and how can you use it? Now friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon. So friends, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, we will scroll it, and friends you can see this tab setting in your infinix phone device. So friends, you will have to click on guys this phone special function, tap here guys, click on phone accessibility setting, then guys again scroll it. Friends, you can see guys this phone mono audio setting as you can find here, and friends you can see the mono audio setting guys you can on, and guys you can see this audio balance guys, left side guys, right side guys you want to decrease, and right side you want to increase, you can customize from here. As you can see channel when playing audio, you can use guys this mono audio setting. So like that guys we can on, and fancy you want to off, so guys you can off from here. So like that guys we can on and off guys our phone mono audio setting in infinix phone. So bye guys.